Hey everyone, Talon Sei here with another quick tip on how to get the most out of using onX Offroad. Getting caught in bad weather while you're out on a trail is never fun, but you know what can be 100 times worse than that? Getting caught in a wildfire. Thankfully, onX Offroad has an active wildfire layer to keep you safe when traveling in dry, fire-prone areas. To display this layer, simply tap on your filter settings and towards the bottom, tap the active wildfire slider. Now looking at the map, this layer displays nationwide fire incident data from the National Interagency Fire Center. The larger icon encompassed by a circle indicates a fire that the NIFC has released a perimeter for, and just the simple flame icon represents a fire that has been reported but does not yet have a perimeter released. If you tap an active fire, you can see info like the name and description, the current acreage of the fire, and also the percentage of containment. This feature is an excellent way to stay confident and safe while outdoors, but like onX reminds you, wildfires are unpredictable and their conditions change rapidly. Also remember that the active wildfire layers will not update on your offline maps, so it's best to check the area that you're going to be traveling ahead of time. In the end, nothing can really replace your own common sense and due diligence, so check in, be prepared, stay alert, and stay safe out there.